Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Wala po bang malakas na hiyawan dyan? Thank you very, very much. Celebrating beauty and diversity, this program aims to promote the beauty and richness of our diverse communities. Ladies and gentlemen, people of Valenzuela, standing in front of you is a 26-year-old stunner who hails all the way from the land of the most beautiful Serenas in the Philippines, Piñahan, Quezon City. My name is Casey Banyas Papulan. I am your reigning Queen of Quezon City and your reigning Miss International Queen Philippines, NCR. Tonight is more than just a fiesta. Tonight is a celebration of beauties all over the Philippines. And ladies and gentlemen, panel board of judges, talking about national, cultural, or festival costume. This elegant ensemble represents the timeless beauty and grace of Filipino fashion. This is a modern Filipiniana, and this is inspired by the most celebrated Filipino rice cake, the puto and suma. And again, ladies and gentlemen, bago ko po lisanin ang napakagandang entablado ito, hayaan nyo maghayag ako ng isang kasabihan. Kasabihang, aanhin ko pa po ang ganitong kagandahan kung hindi ko naman ho matitikman ang inyong kapitan. Kap, nasaan ka? Baka naman. Thank you so much, judges. I'm your candidate number 6. Mark my number dahil ngayong gabi, marami pa ho kami pasabog. Thank you.